In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Commonwealth Bank digital card to your Apple Wallet quickly and easily. Before we dive in, just a quick note. This process assumes you've already registered with and logged into your Commonwealth Bank app. Make sure that's all squared away before moving forward. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your Apple Wallet app. You'll notice in the top right corner, there's a plus button. Go ahead and tap that to get the process rolling. Once you've done that, you'll need to scroll down a bit until you reach the section labeled From Apps on your phone. Keep an eye out for your Commonwealth Bank app here and select it. This will guide you to the next stage of adding your digital card. Now, you should find yourself on the Add Cards section. Here, you have the option to select the digital card you want to add. Take a moment to make sure you've chosen the right one, and when you're ready, simply click Continue. After that, click Next to proceed to the terms and conditions. This next part is important, so take a few moments to read through the terms and conditions thoroughly. It's essential to know what you're agreeing to, after all. Once you're comfortable and you've reviewed everything, go ahead and click the Agree button. This will finalize the process. With that final step completed, you'll find your digital card is now available in your Apple Wallet. It's as straightforward as that. Remember, having your card in your wallet facilitates quick and easy transactions, whether you're shopping online or in-store. And the bonus? You've just gained a little more convenience and security in your transactions, which is always a plus. If you ever switch devices or need to re-add another card, you can revisit these steps and it'll be just as simple. Thanks for spending some time with me today to enhance the way you manage your finances. Your digital world just got a little more seamless, didn't it? Keep exploring the features in your digital wallets and apps. There's a lot of innovation happening here that could make your life that much easier. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and straightforward. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or check the support resources provided by Commonwealth Bank. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.